Hey guys, how are you today? I hope you're all well. It's Economics with Bonang. And then this is our Gauteng paper, which is a 2025 paper. And we're still focusing on our circular flow questions. If you haven't seen videos on the circular flow questions, you can go to my channel and view more videos to have a basic understanding of the circular flow. So here we're doing our question 2, which is the circular flow section. 2.1. Answer the following questions. 2.1.1. Name any two taxes on production. So our two taxes on production is payroll tax, tax on land and building, license fees, tax on pollution, and etc. So you can choose any of the two to write under taxes on production, right? And then we have our 2.1.2. What causes unemployment to increase during a recession? So we know that this question is our business cycle question. In a recession, it is when there's a decrease in employment, there's a downturn, and there's a decrease in economic activities, and there's high inflation, all the bad effects on the economy, right? So, during a recession, economic activities continue to decrease further, causing some businesses to shut down and retrench workers. So that's why unemployment increases during a recession. It's because most businesses are suffering, so they have to let go of some employees, or they even have to let go for the business itself, right? As we can relate to the COVID-19. During COVID-19, most businesses had to let go of some employees, and most businesses had to retrench um, employees and even leave the business totally, or even shut down the business, right? That was the recession phrase, right? So our 2.2, study the table below and answer the questions that follows. So quarterly forecasting, industries, actual forecasting, right? We have agriculture, mining, manufacturing, electricity, gas and water, and construction, right? 2.2.1, identify the industry which is expected to contribute the least to the economy in the third quarter of 2024. So we're going to look at our 2024. The forecasting is the one that has the third quarter. So here, as we can see that the last one is 0.1, which is our mining. So our answer is mining with 0.1, right? Our mining industry with 0.1. And then 2.2.2, name any one method that is used to calculate GDP. So by now we know that we have three methods to calculate GDP, which is the production method, income method, and expenditure method. So here they only need you to write one method, so you could choose one of the three methods that you know, right? And then 2.2.3, briefly describe the term gross national product. So what is GNP? So, gross national product refers to the value of all final goods and services produced by the permanent residents of a country within a specific period. So, we should note permanent residents, right? So, this is talking about only the permanent residents of the country, right? And then we have our 2.2.4, how are basic prices converted to market prices? So, basic prices are converted to market prices by adding taxes on products and subtracting subsidies on products, right? Products, not production, right? So you should note that is basic prices are converted to market prices by adding taxes on products and subtracting subsidies on products, not production. Guys, be careful when you're writing. 2.2.5, why is it important to monitor the real domestic figures in a country? So we know that real domestic figures means that inflation has been adjusted, right? So, real GDP figures are important for comparing economic performance because they eliminate the effect of inflation. And the other one, real GDP figures provide awareness regarding the effectiveness in allocating resources in the economy. And then the other one, we could say real GDP figures assist to identify the trends in economic growth, allowing businesses and government to anticipate potential recession or expansionary periods, right?